I'm going to show you how to make green meatballs with Vietnamese crispy spring roll stuffing. You get all the flavors of Vietnamese crispy spring rolls without frying. Soak 1.7 ounces of glass noodles and 0.3 ounces of black fungus mushrooms during the preparation. Cut 1 pound of pork loin into pieces. Chop them. Put them in a mixing bowl. Then add a pinch of salt, half teaspoon of ground pepper, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 egg, mix. This first mixing allows the ground meat to absorb the liquids, the fish sauce and the egg. It is important to mix until it becomes sticky. Add 2 sliced onions, one carrot in small cubes, the glass noodles drained and cut into sections, and the mushrooms without their stems. And chopped. Mix everything well. The sticky texture of the meat helps blend everything together. Keep aside. Prepare the seasoning sauce. In a bowl, put 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of fish sauce, half cup of water, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 cloves of chopped garlic, and 1 minced hot chili or sweet pepper. These are the same ingredients as those in Vietnamese spring roll dipping sauce, Nước chấm. Combine. To make the meatballs, oil your hands. Take a good tablespoon of preparation. The sticky texture makes it easier to make. Flatten it a little. In a pan heated over medium-low heat, put 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, add the meatballs. Spread the oil and let it sear for 4 minutes. Flip them over and leave for another 4 minutes. Turn to low heat, add the seasoning sauce. Put the lid on and let the meatballs simmer for 7 minutes. Flip them over from time to time. The sauce thickens and the meatballs absorb it. Remove the lid and leave on medium-low heat for 4 minutes to concentrate the flavors. Gently stir from time to time. The meatballs are ready. Bon appétit! They are very tasty. You can enjoy them with salad and some herbs. You can also wrap them with rice noodles and dip in Nước chấm sauce. In this updated version of crispy spring rolls without frying, you will enjoy all their flavors. Thank you See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.